Ecosystem. The term ecosystem was coined by A.G. Tansley in 1935. So the ecosystem is made up of two words, that is eco and system. So eco means region of space where organisms live. Region of space where organisms live. And the system formed by interacting organisms. सो इकोसिस्टम सिंपली वे में हम देखें, एक एग्जांपल से समझते हैं. जैसे पॉन्ड इकोसिस्टम, जहाँ पर यू वुड फाइंड एल्गी, टर्टल्स, snail, fresh water, mosquitoes, fishes. They all interact with non-living physical factors like sunlight, temperature, soil, water. So all the living organisms, they are constantly interacting with non-living physical factors. That is known as ecosystem. जहाँ living नॉन लिविंग के साथ इंटरेक्ट होते हैं फॉर द सर्वाइवल. ओके, सो सिंपल वे में समझे, वेयर लिविंग organisms are interact or they are interacting with non-living are known as ecosystem. So definition that all the living organisms is biotic, such as plants, animals, human beings, and microorganisms, beings, and microorganisms. So these are all living organisms. They interact with non-living, also known as abiotic component. So they with non-living physical surrounding in an area, surrounding in an area. These are abiotic, also known as non-living physical surrounding in an area. Example, physical surroundings in an area is called or is known as ecosystem. Easy way में अगर समझे, that where living organisms, ecosystem is where living organism interact with non-living. Example, pond ecosystem, forest ecosystem, ocean ecosystem. These are the example of OCEAN, ocean. जो that all the living organism interact with non-living abiotic factors के मैं example देता हूँ, like abiotic में water, temperature, soil, oxygen, etc. So all the living organisms, they interact with non-living abiotic factors like water, temperature, soil, etc. जहाँ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म नॉन लिविंग के साथ इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, दीज आर एग्जाम्पल्स जैसे पॉन्ड इकोसिस्टम, फॉरेस्ट, ओशंस. इको डेफिनेशन हम लिख सकते हैं इकोसिस्टम की, दैट इकोसिस्टम refers to the interaction of organisms with one another and with their environment. In which they occur.